Hello friends, today I want to give you a training program on digital marketing. Just introduction. They are in the training program we are giving you 10 modules. Introduction to digital marketing, SEO, social marketing optimization, Facebook advertisement, Google Ads, content marketing, blogging, email marketing, understanding WordPress, freelancing. And after these 10 modules, we are giving some questions so that you can give the answer of this just like a quiz. And after that, we give a summary notes of all these items, whatever you have to take in these modules. And after that, we give an assignment so that you will be perfect in the digital marketing in this all the modules. So basically, introduction of digital marketing. Here we are going to define a digital marketing. So basically, you know how it is different from the traditional marketing. I think everybody is experience of trading marketing. Everybody is going the market and purchase the item, give the payments, and take it to our home. So this is a basically traditional marketing. Whatever is that, it is a vegetable or it is a shop, it is an electronic items or whatever is that. But physically you have to go in the market and select the items as per your choice and give the payment and take it in your basket and come the home. So this is basically a traditional market of any items. But in the digital marketing, it is also the same type of traditional marketing. It is a subset of marketing. But the difference in this one, digital marketing is any form of the marketing for product or services that involve electronics devices. Here we are using a gadgets, electronic gadgets. So all the marketplace is the electronic market space. So digital marketing platform basically we are using desktop, laptop, notebook, mobile phones and tablets and other hardware. Why this digital marketing is possible today? Because the very vast use of internet. Now the internet is easily available on mobile phone, and I think it is 60% reach of the houses, so that digital marketing is very popular and day by day is increasing. Here we see that what is the real-time examples. I think everybody has experiences of Amazon.com, where we have seen the different type of product and purchase it directly, and the item is come in our house and we payment when it come to our house. So this is an example of digital marketing. Any website, if it is rank on any keywords, they are the keywords, and that website is ranking on that keyword, that is visibility. So this is also a example of digital marketing. YouTube advertisement. You have experience about the YouTube. When you see the videos on YouTube, in between you have to see the different type of advertisement after some intervals. So that is also an example of advertisement. On Facebook, you also see the number of ads. When you are open the Facebook, you see our you just see the comments on your friends' pictures or videos or whatever that one. So in between you also see the ads. So this is also an example of digital marketing. On website, when you are seeing some website, training program website, there is a chatbot type of thing is coming. So where you can contact to the webmaster directly on the web. This is also a digital marketing. On Google, when you are searching something, you see the CPAD ad ADV is coming on before the website. That is also a digital marketing. Now we see the difference between the traditional marketing and digital marketing. In the digital marketing, it is most cost effective because we have need only internet and electronic gadget. It may be a computer or it may be a mobile. But in digital marketing, it is not cost effective. We have to go physically to the market and then we purchase it. In digital marketing, it is fast and efficient for brand building. When somebody want to build the brand, just create a website and launch it on the clouds so that it reaches to the everybody. But in the digital marketing, it is not so good for brand building. In digital marketing, it is measurable, and you have to see, you go into the market, visit some place or the shop. So it is very difficult how many persons come in the shop because it is not analytical. But in the digital marketing, it is analytical. The computer will give each and every report how much traffic is come on your website. Traffic means how many visitors come on your website and how many uh, users purchase the items. That is due to possible because of Google Analytics. But in traditional marketing, it is very difficult. In digital marketing, real-time result. We can see the result immediately. But in traditional marketing, it is not much. Digital marketing, what people think about us. What the people about thinking about us, they just write in a comment, give a comment so that we can think about that. What is the thinking of the pupils or users? But in traditional marketing, it is very difficult. People are coming and going and see the things. They are no purchasing. So it is very difficult. What is mind in the people? In digital marketing, the shop is always open, 24/7 online. But in digital marketing, not always sometimes because the shop timing is 10 to 9, 10, or it is a fixed type of things that we have to follow the rules. But in digital marketing, there is no rules follows. This is 24/7 and in no country wide, no city wise, no state wise. That is available on whole world. Benefit of digital marketing is what? It's a global reach. You can see that when we made or prepare a website and launch, publish on the internet, it is reach is available to the global reach. But anybody can see in the world our website. You can reach anywhere where the internet is present. Only the thing is there, the internet must be present. Real time, real data, easy measure and act accordingly. In the digital marketing, everything is in real things. Precise together targeting is possible using digital marketing efforts. But what is our targets? That you can see it very cost effective. That is give the scope even a small business owner to. If a very small owner, sometimes you can say his shop is only on 10 by 10 room in anywhere in the globe, but he can reach up to the any of people without any costing. This is why it is a cost effective. But in the traditional marketing, if you have a shop of 10 by 10, you cannot reach to the infinite number of people. But it is a scope is very limited. Digital marketing means it is effective in brand awareness using social media. It is very effective medium. Suppose you have some brand of some product, you can very easily give an awareness to the public by using the social media platforms, just like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. Direct in touch with your product and client. A shopkeeper on the digital marketing is directly in touch with the product and your clients. You can see their product and client on the cloud. Higher conversion rate. Here, the conversion rate means how many people, how many users visit on your website and purchase the item from the website. Its chances are very, very high. Digital marketing can help you in tapping the mobile user because our internet is easily available on mobiles. So in India, I think around 70 crore people are using today mobile. So it is very easy. Digital marketing can help you in tapping the mobile user. The mobile user can easily, digital marketing can reach up to the mobile users. Easy to start with. It is very easy. Thus, in the present scenario, we are seeing a shift and digital marketing is going to benefit the internet. Due to the internet, the digital marketing is nowadays is very popular and day by day increasing. Now we have seen that inbound versus outbound digital marketing. There are these two terms, inbound and outbound. What is the meaning of these two terms? Inbound digital marketing means it is a business methodology that attracts customers by creating valuable content and experience tailored to them. Basically, when we are presenting some items to the users of the websites, then we have to uh, present them to a good attractive photographs and content. Content means the textual form. Whatever we want to tell about the products, that we can present in a very good manners, so that user can easily understand and attract to read and see the things. So example here is SEO, search engine optimization and content marketing. Now second thing is outbound digital marketing. It interrupts the audience with content they don't always. So it is basically outbound digital marketing is we are using basically a social media platforms, PPC, that is a per pay click, ads, email, you purchase the start trending. Here we are intending to give our product direct to the customer with the help of social media and other ads and email purchase type of things. Scope of digital marketing. You just see the data on the internet. As on July 2018, 60% of the world population is using internet. And in next 6 to 7 years, internet user numbers are double or triple. You just see the trend is of the scope of digital marketing is increasing day by day. This is why the digital marketing scope is very high in the coming years. And thus it is the motto of the government of India is also a digitize India. Everything is, you guys can see the government is also helping us to provide the different type of government services. They are going in the form of digitals. So nobody want to go in the different type of offices. It is office. In past what happened? If we need some forms or we need some services of the government, we have to physically go to the offices, and then we meet to the people, PRO, and then we can solve our problem with the help of that man. But now it is directly possible due to the digital everything. Offices are digital, all the services are on the web, so there is no need to go physically on the particular office for a particular services or product, and then we can get it, these all services directly from the user mobile phone or internet or the computers where the internet is available. Door-to-door advertisement, word-to-mouth publicity, radio announcement, TV channel. India always relied to traditional method of marketing until the internet was not reached up to the common people. When this internet was not very popular, not possible to reach the public, so then what happened? The marketing is door-to-door. We have to do the advertising of our product or door-to-door. We are going there, word-to-mouth publicity. Radio announcement, this is a very good publicity. Today also as we are using TV channels where we have seen the different types of advertisements, and by the influences of this we have to purchase it from the market. India always relied on traditional method of marketing until the internet was not reached up to the common people. From approximate 7 crore on online business in 2016 and more than 10 crore in 2017, India has seen a stark rise in the internet population, and how it is crossed over 25 crore in 2021. Now you have to see that 25 crores of the population of India is today using the internet, and day by day increasing. And by a survey of digital marketing, we can assume that in the up to the 25 or 26 years, 2025, then 90% of the population of India are using digital marketing. And after COVID, digital marketing scope is increasing as procedures. You have to see the last year when this COVID is come in India. After that, digital marketing scope is very high and increasing exponentially. And thus, there is a tremendous job opportunity in digital marketing. Scope of career in digital marketing. You may see that what is the scope of someone in digital marketing. That is, we can see here in the form of freelancer, SEO, Google Ad, job perspective, MNC startup, as rating up digital marketing agencies, small business. These are the very few where someone make the career in digital marketing. Job opportunities of digital marketing. Here is a tremendous amount of jobs there where the people can go easily and get the. If somebody is trained in digital marketing, he can get easily, very easily get the job in the MNCs, or he freelancer, or he can work from the home. Here you can see there is a survey of LinkedIn digital marketing. There are around 5,000 vacancies all the times available in India. And Naukri.com digital marketing, there are 15,000 vacancies in this area. And Glassdoor, this is a survey of digital marketing, above salary around 382,000 per year. This is the salary of 382,000 per year that we can get it. Various position in digital marketing. Now we can see how what are the posts is available. There is a huge list of digital marketing position available for those seeking their career in the area. Now we can see what type of career in the digital marketing. You can see the starting from the digital marketing manager, then the content marketing manager, content writer, inbound marketing manager, social media marketing expert specialist, search engine marketer, SEO executives, conversion rate optimizer, copywriter, ad writer, and blogger. These are the basically area of post available in the digital marketing. Digital marketing team. How is the digital marketing team in a typical MNCs? Here we can see that CEO, Chief Executive Officer, and below this there is a Vice President or Head, Marketing and Sales, then Digital Marketing Head, similarly a Social Media Manager, a SEO Specialist, Search Engine Marketer, Inbound Marketing Manager, and below the Digital Marketing Head, a Content Marketing Manager, and Content Writer, a Designer. Inbound Marketing Manager, there is a Copywriter and Conversion Rate Optimizer. This is basically a flow chart of a marketing team that is typically available in the department. Digital marketing salary. Now we can see that what is the salary available in the digital marketing area. As we see, digital marketing manager, if you have an expense of 1 year, then your salary may be 1.5 to 3 lakhs rupees per annum. Digital marketing specialist is the expense of 1 to 3 years. The salary is 2 to 4 lakhs. Digital marketing team leader, the expense is about 2 to 5 years. His salary is increasing 2.5 to 5 lakhs. Digital marketing strategic, is the expenses around 3 to 5 years. The salary is 4 to 5 lakhs. And digital marketing manager head, after the expenses of 5 to 10 years, its salary is 8.25 lakhs. And just after that, the topmost post is a digital marketing director. That is after the expenses of 10 years, and salaries is around 25 to 40 lakhs per year. So then you can see the career is very good in the digital marketing. If you one get the training in the digital marketing in different modules, so he can get a very good career in the digital marketing. Now we see the digital marketing in India. Why future of digital marketing in India is very, very bright. Now see it. People are getting aware of the digital marketing and power of digital marketing in India. Nowadays, day by day, due to the internet availability up to the village level, all the people are aware of the digital marketing. Indian government is also taking a number of initiatives by introducing and promoting Digital India programs. Institutions and universities recognize the power of digital marketing and working on the course for the same. Even the universities recognized by the government of India or the state, they are also introducing the course in digital marketing. Reach of internet to remote location in India. That's very easy. Nowadays, the internet is available up to the village level, so the reach of digital marketing is easy. Investment of Facebook like gained into Jio. Now it is announced by the Facebook that they are also investment in the Jio. The Jio is, you know, that this is a 70 or 80% internet is coming from the Jio thing. When the Facebook invests in the Jio, the market of the internet is very, very high. So thus the digital marketing is popular in a good way. Affordable. Business equipment with digital market has generated enormous amount of revenues. Government of India announced its policy for implementing G5 technology. G5 telecom is coming now in India. G4 telecom is implementing from the last 2-3 years, and now G5 technology is coming. That means that internet speed is faster than 4 to 5 times at per. Today we are getting the speed of internet on the mobiles. So what happened at that times? When the 4-5 times speed of internet is increasing on the mobile, everything is available on the mobile, and it is coming in India by April 2020. It gives a boost to digital marketing. So now the speed of internet, the speed of digital marketing. So you can say in all the area, digital marketing is coming very, very fast. Different type of digital marketing, and just because this overview. So what is the different type of marketing? Digital marketing is available as is SEO, search engine optimizations, PPC, per pay click, or search engine marketing, you can say. These are the basically some keywords that we are using in digital marketing. Email marketer, content marketing, Facebook advertisement, video marketing, YouTube optimizers, social media marketing, social media optimizer, affiliate marketing, application store optimizer. In these all areas that we have to explain it, we can see in our coming slides. What is SEO? Just we see it SEO, search engine optimization. Actually, there are the three types of SEOs: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. And this SEO, on-page SEO means the inbound, off-page SEO that we can say outbound, and technical SEO that is speed secure. SEA means search engine marketing, add on Google marketing and paid traffic. When we are getting the training, we are able to give the Google marketing and paid traffic, advertisement of the Google and paid or in some social media. Then it is a search engine marketing. SERP, search engine result page. So this is also a techniques of the digital marketing that we have to learn in the coming slides. Affiliating marketing. What is the affiliating marketing? Affiliating marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other services or company products. So basically it is a promotion of a product of someone to the nearby around your friends or people are, you know them. So what happened in that one? A vendor is own a product, affiliating network, that's a mediator, affiliates who are looking for the promoting the product. Is basically we are, suppose we are getting some item from the vendors and we want to promote it to our friends and other influence peoples. If we if we are able to sell the product of the vendors to our friends and others, so by selling that we are getting some commissions. So that is we are earning the commission. So that is known as affiliating marketing. Other thing is method of promoting product service using everyday. How we are doing these things? We are making the blogs, you can make the YouTube videos or paid ad or social by using the social media platforms. Email marketing. What is the email marketing? Email marketing is the highly effective digital marketing strategy of sending email to the prospect and customers. So what happens? You have a data bank of email. Email means you have a email addresses of your friends or publics. You can also purchase the email addresses from the someone and send out your products. So the vendor is send the products, publicity or ad through the email marketing. Mother is send the email to the users, and when users see the email advertisement of the vendors, then he can purchase the items. This is known as email marketing. Goal achieved by email marketing is the conversion. Basically, how much conversion? Brand awareness and sales. So it is basically conversion, brand awareness and sales. So through the email marketing, we can send the email to the users, and when the user see the brand of a company, he is influenced then and he can purchase it. Introduction to digital social media optimization. Social media marketing. So here we are just understanding that what is the SMO and SMM. SMO means social media optimization and SMM means social media marketing. So just understanding about it. SMO. This is social media is used as a catalyst to grow the business. The social media, you can see the Facebooks, Instagram, WhatsApp and other platforms. They are very, very strong and very, very useful platform for the digital marketing. So where you can use it, somebody give the advertisement on the Facebook, and number of users are seeing daily spend times on the Facebook. Then they also see the vendor's advertisement, so we can by influencing of that one and can purchase the items. Account effort on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. These are basically the platforms. It is mostly non-paid campaign. So here we are not paying anything when we are promoting our product on these platforms. Generally, we are not paying anything. It is a free of cost. Mostly on page activities like optimization of profile, importance, asset of page, etc. Focus on brand image. We are just give the photographs, images of our products. Understand the algorithm, what works and what not to work, by understanding or getting the lessons to produce on the Facebooks or social medias. We have to work and not to work, we have to see. Person working on social media must understand dynamics and social media platform. So when a person is working on the social media, he must know how this social media is worked. Thank you, friend. In this video, we are just giving a glimpse of digital marketing and how we are using digital marketing for our advertisements or sale our different type of product or services. Thank you.